Hello, today I'm talking about a writing section, and in writing section I'm going to talk about a specific question that is related to letter to editor. Letter to editor is, a formal letter, is a kind of formal letter in which we write a letter to someone who is not very close to us, is not our relative, is not among our family members, is not our friend, but someone else related to authority. What is this letter to editor? What is this? ये है क्या चीज़? Actually, in case of letter to editor, we take some issues of concern. And what is this issues of concern? Issues of concern means डे टू डे लाइफ में जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं which common people think and feel, we take such problems and we write letter to editor, sometimes to give solution to this problem and sometimes to seek solution of this problem. And in nutshell, when we are writing a letter to editor, the main motto of our effort is to to make people aware regarding such an issue. इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम से रिलेटेड जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं इस तरह की सिचुएशन में लोगों को उसके बारे में जागरूक करना, टू मेक दम अवेयर so that they will also think about this. The readers of the magazine, the readers of the newspapers, they will think about such issues, and whatever they can do, they will do. It is up to them. Now, coming to letter to editor, as you know that it is a kind of formal letter. Formal letter, जैसे मैंने बताया कि we are sending to people who are not our close, they are not our relatives, they are not our family members, they are not our friends, they are somewhere they are related to authorities. So a fixed format is there for this letter to editor, और इस फॉर्मेट में जो वैल्यू पॉइंट्स हैं वो क्या हैं? नंबर वन, sender's address. First of all, we write sender's address at the top. Sender's address means your address, not name but address, and this may consume 2 or 3 lines. Okay. Now, after giving one space of one line, we write date. We do not write DATE, but we write exact date on which we are writing this letter. And in third value point is receiver's designation and address. Receiver's designation and address में we can write the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. Editor is designation. We do not write the name. By name we do not write letter to editor. We write designation. Designation is the editor. Address, the Times of India or the Hindustan Times, India Today, like New Delhi place. Then after receiver's designation and address, we write subject. Subject is considered the soul of letter to editor, and being soul, it must be very short, sweet and easy to understand. It must make the person understand what the body says, what the body of the letter says. क्या लेटर में कहना चाहा गया है ये सब्जेक्ट बता देता है. So it must be very short. It must be in one line only, 1 or 2 lines. One line is sufficient. Then after subject, salutation. Salutation in which we address the person. If the person whom we are writing this, if we know that he is a male, we write sir. And if we know the person whom we are sending this letter is female, we write madam. So sir or madam is salutation. Just after salutation, we write the content, that is the main body of the letter. Now, in this content part, we can change paragraphs. For example, if we are writing 3 paragraphs and we are taking a problem related to polythene bags, problem of polythene bags, problem of plastic, problem of non-degradable products disturbing the atmosphere or our environment. So in one paragraph we can write the problem related to the locality where we are living. In second paragraph we can write the causes, reasons कि किस कारण से ये परेशानी हो रही है. केयरलेसनेस हो सकती है, वास्ट यूज ऑफ सच थिंग्स हो सकता है. एंड इन थर्ड पैराग्राफ वी कैन ask for solution to the readers, or we can suggest some solution to the readers. And then after this content, that is the main body, we write the closing, and in closing we write thanks or thanking you. Then in next line we write yours truly. Try to avoid faithfully, because faithfully it seems something awkward. So yours truly, in which a correct writing means when you are writing Y capital and there will be no apostrophe, sign of apostrophe will not be there. And after this, yours truly, your name, and you will finish this letter. So this is all related to letter to editor. Okay.